Today I am making this video as a test. First off, I'm going to try to pick this lock. Okay. Nothing. That's number 3. Number 1 put me in a false set. My finger's slipping off. Okay. It was a good false set. Now, can't see to get in there. Oh. Okay. And that's that lock. Had to play around, couldn't get underneath that number 5 pin to save my soul. Okay, the reason why I made the video is for this lock. This lock is driving me crazy. If anybody's got any advice they can send me, please do. This lock has got me flustered. I've been working on it for a week now in my spare moments. But this lock is kind of different. First thing I usually do is I go straight to the back. I set pin number 5. And then I come up to well, I come up to pin number 2 if I get to it. And that puts me in a false set. And there's nothing. I've tried picking other pins first before I go for the spool pin. Put me in a false set anyway. I don't know if that's the spool pin or not. Gotta click off on pin number 5 there, but that was... Four, nothing. 3, nothing. Looks like there's a little movement on 2. And I lost my false set when it gave me a click. This lock is so frustrating. Give me a click off number 2. And that's it. They're all... Wait a minute. Yeah, that was 40. Anyway, I get this in a false set, and then I pick another pin and I lose my false set. I can't figure out this lock to save my butt. I picked this lock one time with a deeper hook. I'm using a shallow hook for this one, but I normally use this one. But it doesn't matter what hook I use, I can't pick this thing. I did it once by accident and wasn't even paying attention. It just fell open on me. And I've been working this cotton picker, I don't know, 2-3 hours a day every day for a week now. Anybody want me to send them a lock to play with? I don't know what else to do with this cotton picker. Maybe I'll just put it away for a month and go back to it like it's fresh. It might be the idea. Anyway, if anybody's got any suggestions on how I can pick this lock, I would greatly appreciate it. I'll be watching the comments. Or you can write me an email. Or you can contact me on Facebook or Discord. But if you contact me, just let me know it's in reference to that ace lock. I got a couple of them bullying me around now. But this is my big project. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.